Welcome to Live Me Up, a simple and powerful way to sell through videos and live streams on Shopify. Live Me Up makes it easy to host live shopping events and turn your videos into fully shoppable experiences. You can showcase products in real time, let customers purchase with a single click, and keep everything in sync with your Shopify catalog automatically so you can focus on selling, not setup. Once you install Live Me Up from the Shopify App Store, you'll arrive at your Live Me Up dashboard. From here, you can set up live events, manage and reuse your past live streams as your shoppable replays, and upload additional videos to use across your site. You'll also have access to your analytics dashboard, where you can track sales, purchases, and live stream performance, helping you understand what worked and improve your next live streams. And that's Live Me Up, your all in one solution for live shopping and shoppable video.